हमारे यहाँ से खाली करके चला गया, वो यहाँ पे नहीं रहता था। 2016 से 2020 तक रहा था, 4 साल। अब यहाँ पे नहीं रहता है।
तो गाड़ी तो आपके नाम के दीजिए?
गाड़ी थी हमारा नाम, तो उसने अपने नाम नहीं कराई, ट्रांसफर नहीं करी है।
वो कब से रहता था यहाँ पे?
2016 से 2020, 4 साल रहा था।
उसके बाद यहाँ नहीं रहा?
यहाँ नहीं रहा।
कारण क्या रहा कि यहाँ नहीं रहा? कहाँ रहने लग गया?
सोना के पास बता दें, उसने अपना फ्लैट ले लिया खुद के।
तो आपने अभी तक उसका नंबर रजिस्ट्रेशन क्यों नहीं चेंज कराया?
कराया नहीं भी उन्होंने।
पर नाम तो आप ही की जो एड्रेस है।
एड्रेस तक है, नाम नहीं है हमारे, खाली घर का एड्रेस है।
आपका
एविडेंसेस है उनको लिफ्ट किया जा रहा है। एज ऑफ नाउ इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है और अभी कुछ भी कंक्लूसिवली कहना ठीक नहीं होगा। सर, एज आई टोल्ड यू, द इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज गोइंग ऑन एंड वी कैनॉट कंक्लूसिवली कमेंट अपॉन एनीथिंग। वंस वी हैव द फैक्ट्स, हार्ड फैक्ट्स इन हैंड, देन ओनली वील बी एबल टू टेल।
गाड़ी जो बदरपुर
FSL is doing the same thing only. They are lifting the traces of explosives, and based on their testing, they will be able to conclusively
How
tell.
long does that process take usually?
Just now we were talking to them. Maybe 1 or 2 days they will expediting the process, and maybe they will be able to tell us in a day or two.
Do you believe that there are others who may be involved in this who have gotten out?
As I told you that it is investigation is ongoing and the facts are unfolding and new things are coming up. So as of now, it will be premature to conclude anything.
Was there any shrapnel which was found at all on the
Not
location?
as of now, not as of now. But still, we are examining the scene of crime.
And in terms of the metro and operations, borders being sealed, what can you share with us?
No, as of now, I cannot share anything about that. We are deciding upon it, and then we will take a call. As of now, I can only tell you that an FIR has been registered under UAPA, Explosives Act, and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Investigation has been taken up, and there are many specialized teams of Delhi Police, FSL, NSG also here on the scene of crime, and they are lifting evidences possible to help in the investigation.
So what was the route of the vehicle? Because some people are
It is no, we are doing investigation on it. अभी investigation बहुत ही preliminary stages के ऊपर है. Anything, any comment on that will be too premature. And अभी जब तक coherent पूरी चीजें sequence of events क्या है, सब कुछ लिंक नहीं होता, तब तक कुछ भी कहा जाना मुश्किल है.
Have you identified the driver of the vehicle who was seen in the
It is still ongoing. It is the investigation is
Has the
undergoing.
body been identified? That body?
The investigation is undergoing. There are many bodies there, and postmortems are also being getting conducted at LNJP. 5 postmortems have already been done. So we are in the process of identifying some of them, and there are other people also who are getting treatments. So as of now, what body and or anything related to that is still.
Do you have unidentified bodies also?
Yes, there are
How
one or
many?
two bodies, but yes, we have already identified 6 bodies. They have been postmortem has been done on 5.
So you're confirming there are 2 bodies which are identified. Have any family members come and?
No, that is that is also preliminary because there are body parts also. So that has to be joined, and that has to be logically connected with it.